rain so loud? Don't worry, Mimi. We're safe inside. Don't worry, Mimi. It's just a little rain. Is it going to get worse? It's just the first rain of the season. It's just the first rain of the season. I'm so glad we have each other, Mimi. Meow. Meow. But what if it doesn't stop? Well... Every storm has a beginning and an end. Close your eyes, Mimi. Everything will be all right. I think you like the rain too, Mimi. Purr. Look, Mimi, it's a bunny. Meow. I love you so much, Mimi. You're the cutest little cat in the world. You are such a sweet, precious little cat. I love you so much. You're so silly, Mimi. Come here, little one. Mimi, you're safe. Thank goodness. Purr. Purr. All right, Mimi, that'll show it. Purr. I have a secret just for you. The rain is stopping. Row. Meow. Meow. Hello, little Mimi. Meow. Meow. I've missed you so much. I'm so happy you're here.